truck's been sitting for quite a while, so we had a little damage up front. We had a parts one, we changed out the fenders, so we're kind of full disclosure, just letting you know what we do to them. Very transparent dealership, been doing it for 36 years, so I try to show you everything that I can. Not going to waste your time or my time. If the truck's for you, we'll get together. If it's not, we'll move on. So that's kind of our theory. A little different than a lot of dealerships, but this is pretty good driving old truck. See, it's just got an 1/8 of a tank of fuel. I think we're trying to run some of the old gas out of it before we put some new gas in it. So, but it does go down the road nice, straight cabs, nice and quiet. Transmission seems to shift good. We did put some new plugs in it. We'll go up here and turn around and like go through the transmission shifts for you. Show you the brakes. Needs a blower motor, I think, for the heater fan right now. This one you can just drive the way you want. Nice portable short box Dodge under 10 grand, so you don't got to pay the big money for one. And be an easy one to restore. Just has that rust over the back wheel wells, and that's because it come from western South Dakota or central South